Ever wondered what happens if you drink a spoonful of olive oil before bed? It might sound strange, but this simple habit could transform your health. Tonight, we're diving into 8 surprising benefits of olive oil at night, straight from science and perfect for South African kitchens. Stick around until the end, because some of these benefits will truly surprise you. Let's start with the basics. Not all olive oils are created equal. The one you want is extra virgin olive oil, cold-pressed, minimally processed, and packed with antioxidants. It's full of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that support your body in dozens of ways. Here's a quick fact. Studies show that more South Africans are swapping margarine and seed oils for olive oil. And once you hear these benefits, you might want to join them too. First up, your brain. Olive oil is rich in compounds called polyphenols. These powerful antioxidants protect brain cells from damage. Research has linked regular olive oil intake to better memory and a reduced risk of cognitive decline, even Alzheimer's disease. So, taking a spoonful before bed could actually be nourishing your brain while you sleep. Number 2, cancer prevention. Antioxidants in olive oil help fight oxidative stress. That's when unstable molecules called free radicals damage your cells. Populations in Mediterranean countries, where olive oil is a dietary staple, consistently show lower rates of certain cancers. It's not a magic bullet, but adding olive oil to your nightly routine is one more way to support your body's natural defenses. Third, your heart. Olive oil's monounsaturated fats are famous for lowering bad cholesterol, boosting good cholesterol, and even helping regulate blood pressure. If you've been warned about high cholesterol or want to protect your heart long-term, this is one of the simplest, most natural steps you can take. Fourth, blood sugar control. When you take olive oil with your evening meal, it helps slow digestion and stabilize blood sugar levels overnight. That's especially important if you're managing diabetes or insulin resistance. Instead of spikes and crashes, your body gets steady, balanced energy while you rest. Here's a benefit most people don't expect: stronger bones. Olive oil has been shown to help your body absorb calcium more effectively, supporting bone density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. This is especially important as we get older, when bone health becomes a real concern. Number 6, your gut. Olive oil acts as a natural anti-inflammatory and feeds the beneficial bacteria in your digestive system. A healthy gut doesn't just mean better digestion, it also strengthens your immune system and even influences your mood. So that spoonful of olive oil might be helping you from the inside out. 7th, sleep. A spoonful of olive oil before bed can actually improve sleep quality. How? It calms your digestive system and provides a slow, steady release of energy through the night. Many people report falling asleep easier and waking up feeling more refreshed. And here's one for the men. Olive oil may improve sexual health. Studies suggest that regular olive oil intake supports better circulation and balances hormones, both of which are linked to improved erectile function. So yes, this simple nightly habit could also give your confidence a boost. Okay, so how do you do it? Start with just 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil at night. You can sip it straight, mix it into a small cup of plain yogurt, or drizzle it over a salad as your last meal. The key is consistency. Make it part of your nightly routine, and let the benefits build up over time. Of course, olive oil isn't for everyone. If you have gallbladder issues, are on a medically prescribed low-fat diet, or your doctor has given you specific dietary restrictions, speak to them first. And remember, moderation matters. More isn't always better. So, are you ready to give it a try? Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more evidence-based nutrition tips tailored for South Africans. Until next time, stay healthy, stay consistent, and good night.